Hello friends at home. In this video I will be going through our chapter 9 math test with you. I have your friends here in the classroom. They are ready to go over the test as well. We are on the side that says 51 and 52 at the bottom. Right here at the top it says chapter 9 test. The first thing I do is always the same. I take out my pencil and write down my name. Boys and girls, I'm going to walk you through each of these problems. All you'll have to do then is solve for the answers. Friends at home, you have the luxury that if you need a problem repeated, you can just back up the video and hear it again. Friends here in the classroom, if you along the way need a question repeated, just circle the number, and at the end of the test, we'll go back and do repeats, okay? So we should be looking at problem number 1. And for problem number 1, all these ones say listen to the question and then give the best answer, okay? So come up with the best answer you can. So this one says write the difference. So they had drawn 16 circles. You see they had a full 10 frame and then 6 more. And then they took away 9. That's what they've circled here. So if you want to trace that to help you see it better, you can. And I always tell you that I like to X them right off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 have gone away. How many are left in that 10 frame? Don't tell me. Put it on the line right here. How many are left? Put it on the line. Okay, for number 2, it says circle counters to show the amount being taken away. And again, if you'd rather cross them off, you know I'm fine with that. If you want to cross them off and then circle them so that you're still following directions, that's cool too. So it says 17 take away 8. So there are 17 counters here. We have our full 10 frame, which is 10, plus 7 more. You need to take away 8, okay? So you can cross them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then circle them if you want to be a direction follower. So you've got your 8 that you're taking away. Now tell me how many are left. So it says to subtract, make 10 to check. So you'll put the answer here, 17 take away 8. Put it on that line. Okay. And then it says make a 10 to subtract. Well, here we have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 1 more would be 10. So you can put a 9 on this line. So put your answer here. And then put a 9 on this line. Are you raising your hand because you're done or because you have a question? I do. Okay. All right. So number 3, it says draw counters for the whole and then circle the part taken away. Now you can circle or cross off whichever one you're more comfortable with. So the whole here is 11. So you're going to draw 11 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You're going to draw the whole. That's 11. And then this number here is what you're taking away, 5. So you can cross off or circle the 5. And then don't forget to write your answer here. And you're going to do the same thing down here. Draw counters for your big number. Cross off your small number. And then put the difference here. So take some time right now and do both of those. And friends at home, if you need extra time, you can pause the video. Friends in the classroom, take a minute to do 3 and 4, and then we'll get started on 5 once you're all finished. Okay, up at the top of the next side here, number 5, it says make a 10 and then subtract. This is what we've been working on. This is what we've been training for. This is what you've had homework upon homework assignment on. This is what I sent your parents a video on how to do, so I know you know how to do this. I'm going to walk you through the steps, and then you'll put the answer in. So, 11 minus 7. Think to yourself, what can I take away from 11 to get to 10? Don't tell me. If I have 11 and I want to get to 10, what can I take away? Put that number right here. 11 minus what number? Put it here. But guess what? They didn't ask us to take away that number. They want us to take away 7. So how many more do you still need to take away? If you were taking away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, how many have you already taken away right here? Cross that off and then put your other number here. Why are we talking during a test? I can tell those of you that worked hard and did your homework this weekend. Now, you have 10 minus this number. I'm sorry, 11 minus this number will get you to 10. That's what we have here. Then we have the difference here. Take that difference that you have here and bring it down here onto this line. And then say 10 minus that number, and that's your answer. So right here, 11 minus 7, it will be the same answer. Anyone that's talking, unfortunately, you're losing points because we don't talk during a test. So you have 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What can you take away to get to 10? Victoria, think in your brain. What can you take away from this to get to 10? Yes. Now, they want you to take away 7. But you've already taken away how many? So how many will you have left? Put that number on the next line. All right, let's go down now to number 6. They're asking us 14, take away 5. They drew 14, and then they took away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what this dotted line is showing. You can trace it if you want. How many are left? And then give me an addition problem that would be in the same fact family. So if you know 14 minus 5 equals that, then that plus 5 equals 14. So put your addition sentence underneath. It's like fact families using. Looking at number 7, it says find the difference, check to add. Add to check. I read that backwards. Add to check. So figure out what is 13 minus 6. Put that answer here. And then show me an addition problem that would be in that same fact family using 13, 6, and whatever number you come up with. Take your time. You can draw it out. You can use your fingers. You can do whatever you need to do. 13 minus 6 equals this number. Then use those 3 numbers to show me an addition fact. And when you're finished, I'll know you're ready because you'll turn your paper over. I'm on the back side now, looking at number 8. It says Hannah caught 14 ladybugs. So circle 14. I feel like that's important. It said Ruby caught 8 ladybugs. Circle 8. How many more ladybugs did Hannah catch than Ruby? So we're going to draw and then cross out to subtract. So we know there's 14 altogether. So you can fill in 14 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. Then you're going to take away the 8 that Ruby caught, and that will show you the difference. And then fill in the bubble next to the difference. Okay, looking at number 9. It says draw counters and subtract. Circle the part taken away. You can cross it off too if you want to. It's easier for me if I cross them off. I told you guys that. So draw 18, take away 7, put your answer here, and then using those numbers, fill in the blanks. So we have 18, that's a 10 and 8 ones. So here's my 10. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. Then you're going to take away this number, which is 7. So goodbye 1, goodbye 2, goodbye 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are left? Put that number here. And then for this part, it would be your 10, which is here. Here's your 10. Plus this number right here. Plus the ones you crossed off, that number here. So this, and this would go here. This little guy would go here, and your 10 is already there for you. And then your total, you know, is 18. Let's take a look down at number 10. Ruth has 15 red cups, circle 15, and she has 9 blue cups. How many more red does she have than blue? So you're looking at 15, take away 9 equals some number. You can draw it, you can use fingers, you can use your counters, you can use your mental math, figure out 15 minus 9, and then fill in the bubble next to your correct answer. Okay, let's go to the top of the next page, number 11. It says cross out 2. I'll say that again, cross out 2 equations that are false. So you need to solve all 4 equations. If they are true, circle them, and if they are false, cross them out. If they are not correct, give them a big fat X. All right, for number 12, you're just going to do the fact family, friends. So right away, you know you have 2 addition and 2 subtraction. So you can plug in your plus, plus, minus, minus. And then using the numbers 8, 9, and 17, plug them and chug them. Show me your fact families. Number 13, find the missing number to make the equation true. So some number, take away 6, equals 8. What is that number? Well, if you add up 8 and 6, I bet you'll find that number. Put it on the line. All right, looking at number 14, you're going to circle the equations that are true. So you've got to solve all 4 equations. If they're true, circle them so I know you know they're true. All right, and for the last one, number 15, it says Juan has a bag of apples. There are 16 apples in the bag. He eats 1 and then puts 7 in a bowl. So how many are left in the bag? Well, if he eats 1 and puts 7 in a bowl, that's 8. So there were 16 in the bag, but he's taking 8 away because he eats 1 and puts 7 in a bag. So that answer should go here. Okay? And then we can say 16 apples minus the 8 that he took away equals that same number here. And then how many are left in the bag? Put the same number. Bing, bang, boom. All right, boys and girls at home, I can't wait to see your tests. Bye.